You are watching Daily Forex News YouTube channel. Let's start. Wednesday market briefing. Buckle up, because yesterday's choppy seas have calmed, but the currents are still shifting. Dollar takes a dive. Remember the greenback flexing on Tuesday? Turns out, it wasn't so strong. Our friend the USD index dipped below 103.00, its lowest point in a week. Looks like investors got a case of the jitters, sending the dollar scurrying for cover. But wait, there's more. Don't count the dollar out just yet. Wall Street took a tumble, and suddenly the greenback looked mighty appealing as a safe haven. But then, like a tech stock rally out of nowhere, stocks bounced back, limiting the dollar's gains. Talk about a roller coaster. Today's to-do list: get ready for some data overload. SP Global's got PMI reports coming in for Germany, Europe, the UK, and even the US. Basically, they're taking the temperature of manufacturing and services sectors all over the place. Buckle up, folks. Oh Canada, later today, our neighbors to the north, the Bank of Canada, are making some big decisions about interest rates. Will they hike, hold, or do something totally unexpected? Stay tuned, eh? Stocks say howdy. US stock index futures are whispering sweet nothings this morning, pointing towards a slightly positive open. Looks like investors are feeling a little more optimistic after yesterday's drama. Remember, the market is a fickle beast, so stay informed, stay sharp, and don't forget to have some fun. We'll keep you updated throughout the day with the latest news and analysis. Let's navigate these financial waters together.